the world change and you just pivoted with the world. That involves some thinking, and it feels kind of weird to give away stuff that you were selling for free. It's scary. How did you deal with that fear?
For a very long time as a coach, I've been already trained on not using fear at all as a factor in my decision making and in business. So when I notice that I have fear, I see that as an opportunity to know that I'm on the right track and that I need to go even further. And it's actually one of my keys for understanding if we really reached a maturity level. Are you that generous that it really hurts? Like it hurts on your stomach that you're giving away so much good stuff. And this is the level of generosity that actually pierces through the noise of all those feeds and life and work and kids. There's so many things that steal our customers' attention that you have to pierce through this very, very thick layer of noise. And being very, very valuable by being generous as well is an amazing way to do that. I don't take fear very seriously. It wasn't always like that. I really recommend the book, The War of Art by Steven Pressfield, a fundamental course in life about how to overcome fears.